Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to log in to your Zangi account on another phone in 2025. Whether you've just bought a new device or you want to switch between phones, the process is very simple and secure. First, go to the App Store if you're using iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. In the search bar, type Zangi Messenger and download the official app. The logo is a blue chat bubble with a white Z. Once the app finishes installing, open it. On the welcome screen, you'll see the option to log in. If this is your first time using Zangi on this phone, simply tap log in, don't create a new account because that would generate a separate ID. Now enter the Zangi ID or phone number you used to register your account along with your password. If you forgot your password, just tap Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email or recovery method. After entering your credentials, Zangi will verify your account. Depending on your security settings, you might receive a verification code or confirmation prompt. Enter the code if asked, and then tap Continue. That's it, you're now logged into your existing Zangi account on the new phone. All your contacts, messages, and settings will sync automatically, so you can pick up right where you left off. Pro tip: if you're planning to use Zangi on multiple devices, make sure you always log out from the phone you're no longer using. This keeps your account secure and prevents any sync issues. And there you have it, logging into Zangi on another phone is quick, easy, and secure. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.